I'm Mark Ballister. I live in Southport, North Carolina. Once we signed, there was a very well laid out process for how the permitting was going to work, the different phases of install, and the most amazing thing, given that I had just been through a big renovation and dealt with a lot of contractors, was everything happened when they said it was going to happen. When you have a lot of vendors working on your house, you kind of rank them. We had some good and some not so good during the course of the build. And Cape Fear was by far at the top of that list. All of them did quality work. Cape Fear was the only one who did what they said when they said they were going to do it. All the others, worked at sort of their own pace. And Cape Fear said, we're going to be there Thursday at 2 to install your panels. They were there Thursday at 2 to install the panels. There wasn't ever any problem. Our relationship all through the process and even now has been quite amazing. The level of responsiveness is quite something. My sales rep was always available, literally over phone or text, and I always felt comfortable calling or asking a random question. My sales rep, Caleb, was all over it.